I would like to show you how to replace the filter. First, turn the switch off, disconnect the jack, unplug, then twist the cover slightly and put it out. Take the filter out, then upside down, pedestal take it out, filter take it out. Look, these filters we are using 2 months in our office. Look here, we are testing here. Okay, these filter traps micro dust, bacteria, VOC, and other any kind of the pollutant. Now I show you replace the filter. Just take tape off with a knife, cut it, then okay, take old one, used one, put the new filter and tape it. Otherwise you're getting hard time for next time replacement. Put the filter in here, then install the pedestal upside down. Take the HEPA filter, look, HEPA filter and carbon filter. Tape off with a knife right here. Okay, then take out, replace the new one, push it slightly, put in, okay. Tape it, without the tape it won't out for next time, so make sure tape in. Then the HEPA filters downward when you install. Okay, then put the cover, make sure jack first, then plug in, switch on. Thank you.